fellow Toastmasters and BBT and Bond friends. This is Yosuke Mashita from BBT-Bond Toastmasters Lab. So again, next Monday on 4th May, we will have our second early birds meeting. It's again a table topic session, and we will use the Zoom, of course, and use a breakout room so that we can divide the club in more than 2 groups and have a discussion about some theme and share our ideas. So I think having a discussion at the morning is a really interesting thing, because your mind is in the most creative. It's a time when your mind is in the most creative, and you will have so many ideas. And expressing that in your words or breaking down in your words is a great way to find your new own ideas and what you are really you, right? So it's a 1 hour session, so we'll just share many things, what is going on around us and how we will survive the COVID-19 situation, and how we can enjoy our life in such quarantine situation. So we're considering to have such meeting every Monday, and as long as the quarantine situation will continue. So especially in such quarantine situation, it's very important to have a communication with people, and I also believe that making an output and sharing such information with people is a good way to keep your mind healthy, right? So join us and start the weekend positively on Monday on BBT-Bond Toastmasters Lab, and I'm looking forward to see many of you at BBT-Bond Toastmasters Lab. Okay, let's have fun and have a great day. See you.